Hello, this is Fu from CMC Tech. I'm here today to show you how to set up a 9264. The first thing you want to do when you turn on DVR is go ahead and log in. The default password is 12340. Hit enter. Little quick menu should come up on the left hand side. We'll go over that in a different video. First thing you want to do is right click and go to the main menu. Go ahead and go to quick start. Under the general you have your display, and then down here you have three different settings for your quality of the image. Image size, you have three settings: SIF, which is 352 by 240 field is 704 by 240, and frame, which is 740 by 480. If you click a higher image size, your frame per second or IPS would drop. And image quality, of course, you can select what kind of quality you want. Then go to time setup. Under time setup, make sure this time is correct. If not, update it. If you did update the time, once you hit exit, it will ask you to format your hard drive. Go ahead and format that. If you don't, there will be a time conflict with your recording. The format shouldn't take long. It should take anywhere between 15 seconds to about a minute, depending on how big your hard drive is. Once you're done, go ahead and go into your advanced configuration. Under advanced configuration, you have your 4 channels tab at the top. Each channel you can configure the brightness, contrast, saturation, etc. Covert on or off if you want to hide it. Record on if you want to record, and off if you do not want to record that channel. And edit title if you want to change the default title name. Detection is your motion detection. LS, SS, and TS will be your sensitivity. Please read the user manual on how to set those. Under detection, by default is off. Motion detection is off by default. You can turn it on. Once you turn it on the first time, you will hear a buzz, just like that. The reason why is by default the motion buzzer is on. Basically, when it detects motion, it'll buzz. So you want to go ahead and disable the motion buzzer. And actually, let me turn this off first. There you go. Turn off the motion buzzer, then go ahead and turn back the detection, and it should stop buzzing. Alarm, if you have an external alarm and it does detect motion, it will trigger it. By default, this DVR will only record the middle screen. Let me show you a default configuration one. It will look like this. Red means that it is not detecting motion, and clear is it means that it is detecting motion. So if you want to, you can go ahead and select all the screen and then select the middle, just like that. That means it is detecting everything. Go ahead and turn on motion detection for each channel, and if you want, go ahead and just edit each square, but I'm going to just leave the middle. Then you go ahead and go to record. This is where you want to enable your menu record, event record, and so on, and the IPS, which is a frame per second or image per second in this case, and you override on or off. Override, you want to leave it on. Basically what it does is once your hard drive is filled, it will start recycling the hard drive and start deleting the oldest data. You can get it off. Highest frame per second should be 30. And if you have a timer, or if you don't want to enable it, you can turn this off. If you don't have a timer set up, you can just leave it on, and it just won't record using it. Manual record mode on, if you want to manually record by pressing the record button in front of the DVR, leave that on. Event record is your motion detection, and that should be it. Remote is just your PTZ setup. Once you set that up, go ahead and exit, and that should be it. You should be able to start recording on motion. If you have any question, please give us a call at 832-327-8880, or email us at info@cctv.com or cctvfactory.com. Thank you.